A tiny threat discovered in Hawaii last year could be the carrier of serious disease. And the Department of Health says there is little it can do to stop it from spreading. KITV4's Paul Drews explains.
Along with the millions of visitors coming to Hawaii, there's concern something more sinister could slip into the state. It could be coming from almost anywhere.
We're looking at focusing on ports of entry, airports and harbors where likely disease-bearing organisms might be imported to Hawaii from overseas.
Diseases like dengue fever, which has been a problem in other parts of the world, but so far, not here.
That's because the usual culprit for spreading dengue fever between people is the mosquito. And Hawaii's mosquitoes aren't very good at passing on the disease.
Last year, though, another breed of mosquito showed up in the islands, one that is very good at spreading disease.
If this other mosquito gets reestablished in Hawaii, it's called the Aegypti. It's the one known for spreading dengue far and wide where dengue exists in the world.
Since last year, that more dangerous mosquito has been found 3 more times, which Gill states could mean the insects have established breeding areas. It's hard for the state to know for sure because the mosquitoes have all been found at the same location, the Honolulu International Airport, which is actually the only place the state checks for these invasive species. The insects could be coming in at other airports or Hawaii's harbors, but there aren't enough health department workers to watch out for these tiny threats.
The legislature did authorize 4 new vector control positions. We asked for 8. They gave us half of what we asked for, and more than 40 had been eliminated previously.
Vector control used to actively seek out mosquito breeding grounds to stop these insects, but now the few workers left are busy dealing with other disease-carrying creatures like rats. Gill says the department needs even more employees to stop this tiny threat from spreading. Paul Drews, KITV4 News.
Hawaii has had a small number of cases of dengue fever, but in 2001, an outbreak sickened over 150 people. All of those cases came before the disease-spreading mosquito arrived in the islands.